Fear of commitment is an emotional challenge that many people face in their lives. It can manifest itself in various areas, such as personal, work or family relationships. In this process, we will address this fear more generally, without a specific focus on neuro-linguistic programming, NLP. Recognizing fear. The first step is to recognize and accept that you are afraid of commitment. It may be a fear of being emotionally hurt, of failing others' expectations, or of losing your independence. Exploring the causes. Reflect on the reasons behind your fear of commitment. Does it come from past experiences? Does it arise from personal insecurities? Is it the influence of social pressures? Understanding the causes will help you address the problem. Open communication. Communication is essential. Talk to the people involved about your fears and concerns. Openness in communication can create an environment of mutual understanding and support. Self-knowledge and personal development. Work on your self-esteem and insecurities. Recognize your negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Personal development can help you gain self-confidence. Facing your fears. The fear of commitment will not disappear overnight. Take small steps forward. Engage yourself in situations that make you feel comfortable and gradually increase the level of commitment. Learn from past experiences. Instead of avoiding commitment because of previous bad experiences, try to learn from them and apply those learnings in future relationships. Time and patience. Overcoming the fear of commitment takes time. Don't put too much pressure on yourself and give yourself time to grow and change. Social support. Seek support from friends and family who can understand your concerns and provide emotional support during this process. Conclusion. Overcoming the fear of commitment is a gradual and personal process that requires self-knowledge, open communication and personal development. With time, patience, and support, you can build healthier, more meaningful relationships in your life. Remember that you are not alone on this journey and that there are resources available to help you overcome this challenge.